Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go. It's day number 2 of how many coins are in Dan's bowl. It's simple. All you need to do is try and guess how many there is in there. A few guesses in, not in chronological, numerical order maybe. There's an easier word to say. They're the guesses so far. There's a few in there. All you need to do is guess exactly how many are in the bowl. Let's tip them out every single day to put them back in again. There we go. The lowest guess. 425, the highest 1666. Well, I may say it's more towards the higher figure than the lower one. Nobody correct though. Oh, sorry, 1875 was indeed the highest number. Again, all you need to do is get your guess in the comment section below. And again, we'll be back tomorrow. The prize pot, though, begins with the Atlantic salmon. Plenty of these will be given away. Nice to see so many swimming out there to people's collections. Again, hopefully it's a super rare coin and going to be worth a little bit of money in the future. Double win for everyone at home. And again, the prize pot will continue to grow until we finally get a winner. Again, it isn't going to be impossible. I will be giving you a few hints along the way. Tomorrow we will start with the hints. And again, eventually I'll try and get you in the right direction with maybe the odd correct digit or not. Hopefully it can keep growing for a week or so. I reckon a couple of weeks and we'll be there anyway. Get your guess in the comments, guys. And again, we'll just leave that on the screen so you're not double guessing. Good luck, everyone. Stay safe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Back in the bowl. Here we go.